Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add roles on a server of Discord on a Discord server. So first of all, of course, you would like to have a server application on your PC. So if you don't have that, just go download it through any browser you're currently using, then go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that. Just log into your account and let's just get straight to it. So of course, before adding the roles on a server, you would like to have permissions on the server, or could be your server. So let me just head here to my server, and then all I need to do is just click on this icon here. Then all I need to do, just click at server settings. So here I would like to go and click at roles here, and as you can see here, we have organize your members, use role to group your server members, and assign permissions. So we have here the option of create a role. So if you click on that here, of course, you can name the role. So maybe if you have server full of people, you can maybe give a role to your friends, of course, and name them maybe friend. You can give them the color of the name. Of course, if you go here to permission, you can give them whatever permission you want. Of course, here just edit whatever you want. You have several options. Just read whatever maybe thing you want. If you want to clear permissions, just go and click on that, and everything will be off, and then read them one by one to select what you want. So here, if you want to search maybe for permission, maybe send message. So if you want them to send at least messages, just allow that. If you want them to like maybe send the message in thread, send text to speech, so you can do whatever you want here with these permissions. Of course, if you want them to view channels, manage roles, you can do whatever you want. If you go here to the display, of course, after choosing the role color, you can choose the role icon if you have the boost on your server. Of course, here you can display role members separately from online members. You can allow anyone to mention this role. If you don't want to, of course, turn this off. And of course, view as server as role. So this will let you test what action this role can take and what channels they can see, only available to server owners and admins. So here, of course, you can add maybe an image, of course, as I said, if you have the server boost. So that will be for the video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.